Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm back with a part 4 video for building a rolling a dice game in Python. In the last time I thought I was going to finish up the project, but I was not able to do that because it is managing to write the code. But I will try to finish it up maybe in this part video, but if I'm not able to do that, I will continue uploading a video to finish up this project. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back with the code. In the last time we write this code and we are in half to finish that project. Okay, here in the last video I was get error because here it was not changing for us into the integer, so we are going to use instead of this we're going to use the real list by doing this. Instead of using this one, we can use the list up to 6. Okay, just to be format way. Okay, now let's try out if this works. Okay, welcome to rolling a dice game. Do you wanna roll the dice? Let's say yes. Okay, tell me your guess number 2. Okay, I think there's something here. I don't know. Maybe let's print it out the user input only, and let's figure out the problem. Type user input. Okay, tell me your guess number. Just 6. Okay, it is integer, but I don't know why it doesn't break the loop. Maybe. Okay, let's back. Okay, here we change into maybe this break. It's supposed to do break the loop, but I don't know why. Let's choose to again. It's getting okay. I don't know why. Maybe let's try. Okay, let me explain you why I'm trying to do. we want to the user, if the user's input is 1 up to 6, we want to break this loop, but it doesn't doing that for us. Maybe if it is a tab space. Okay, maybe let's change this into something. Let's say h. Let's say here h equal to h. Or maybe if this work, I don't know. If this not work, we can use other way. As you can see here, we got a bunch of bug here. Let's use two. Okay, I don't know why. Maybe last chance. You just if it is printed out this one, maybe it's break from this loop. I'm sorry, but okay, let's try again. Again, okay, I don't know why this is happening. Maybe it's because okay, this is the same. If user oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, I know my problem here. It's because I was doing using this one, and if you catch the error what I was got, it's because I was saying the user must be enter this thing instead of using this syntax, because this is going to say if the user is input from one of these, we were going to break down the while loop. But what I was saying is the user must be input this list, and that's why we get that error, and I'm sorry for that mistake. I apologize, you guys. Okay, now let's test it out. I mean, you come across a bug like this one, and I suggest you to just figure out by yourself, and you learn when you do that again and again, and you can avoid that error while you get again that types of error. But I'm glad to get our error. Let's say yes. Okay, take on the number 1. Okay, you see, no more we're going to say the number must be between this one. Okay, you see, this small types of change, we're going to be change the whole code, so be aware of that thing. Okay, after we are make sure that the user is getting us the input from this. We can also just doing that like we did before. We can say, instead of writing all of list by manual, we can just use syntax to avoid that, and we can index this one. Excuse me. Okay, and then we want to index from the second one up to the last one, because the Python will going to be start from 0, so we say the first, which means the second index. Okay, do you want to roll the dice? Yes. Take out. Okay, 2. You see, it's work. Okay, now after we did that, we also want to make sure we want to let the user if he gets the right one or not, and we can just do that by just using if statement. If user, I'm typing by my one hand, so I might be slow. Okay, if user n is equal to is, where is it? Okay, Python choice. Okay, we want to tell the user we want to print it out. It gets right one. Okay, we can just do that, but else we want to tell that he or she doesn't get the right one. Okay, it doesn't okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, print. Okay, now let's see. Do you want to roll this? Yes, of course. Yes. Tell me you guess of the dice number. Let's guess 4. You don't. It doesn't guess the right one. Okay. You see the pattern here, but also I will continue the next part in the next video, because here to figure out this one we spend more time. For that reason we have to continue the next part, and I'll see you guys in the next part video. Goodbye, see you there.